Welcome back. I'm your host, Nick Scholes from BambooHR. In this module, we're going to dive into how AI can boost employee experience and performance, starting with a look at employee engagement. AI tools can help monitor and analyze employee engagement levels, letting you know about the ups, downs, and trends. Use AI in a pulse survey to refine your questions or to sum up the big themes in everyone's responses. You're then better equipped to frequently listen to and act on what your people are telling you. We also know engagement and retention go together like coffee and cream, wine and cheese, tea and biscuits, bacon and eggs, fish and chips. Right, business first, then lunch. AI helps you get ahead of the game instead of having to wait for people to speak up. AI-powered analytics comb through individual data, how much sick leave or PTO an employee has taken, and their latest peer and manager feedback, and flag specific people who are at higher risk for turnover. Then, depending on the platform, AI can also build you a custom action plan to retain those at-risk team members. Keeping people from leaving is one thing. Helping them grow and develop is another, and performance management can definitely benefit from AI. It starts with AI helping you support your supervisors and employees by collecting performance data from multiple sources, not just through performance reviews. Then, AI can summarize a ton of different insightful interactions. For example, a Slack thread of kudos from coworkers, or a client emailing to say how happy they were with someone's service. Instead of getting mired in the process, managers get a performance summary so they can focus on helping their employees grow. Now, let's add the cherry on top of this performance management sundae, the frosting on the cake, the syrup on this... Continuous feedback is the key to successful performance improvement, and AI can help manage all those activities. In FEAI, for example, you can set the system up to automatically send feedback requests, nudge managers to give updates, and track patterns over time. While AI takes care of keeping the flow of feedback going, managers can focus on their people's growth and development through hands-on training and discussion. Now, there's another AI capability that's available for performance management, but we need to put an asterisk next to it. Some AI performance apps are adding sentiment analysis and natural language processing to suss out how people are feeling and predict future performance based on behavior patterns, facial expressions, and body language, which can be extremely useful. We mentioned this briefly in Module 3, but part of your evaluation of any HR tool should include reviewing AI legislation where you do business. In this case, the EU has banned this tech from most public and private uses. If you're not in the EU, does that mean you shouldn't use AI emotional analysis? As always, it comes down to how you use it. As the person, and even more importantly, the HR pro in the human-AI partnership, you have the emotional intelligence to understand how this tech will affect your specific workplace. And that's why it's so important for HR to understand and manage AI, so you can make sure it's used in positive ways to improve people's connection to their managers and your company. You're the secret ingredient, the creme de la creme, the secret herbs and spices that... Wait, I can do it for real. In the next module, we'll show you what AI automation looks like from a real HR pro's perspective. See you soon. But first, time to eat. BambooHR's all-in-one software makes your life easier and helps you take your HR game to the next level. So, be sure to check out our additional content and resources below.